What's up, YouTube? Even though you don't know me, we're gonna check out this abandoned fort. Got me my gun, just in case. All the weeds have grown up. Oh, there's a little target there. Looks pretty abandoned. Yeah, I'm not gonna visit that for too long. Good squirrel target. I swear. I shall be trying to find anything that seems a little bit paranormal-ish on my property. Well, we're gonna go up to the canal up where I live. Well, if I see something, I'll let you know. Well, here we are, the canal. Eventually, I'll do a video here about me fishing. If this video gets 16 likes, I will shoot a spray paint can, and I'll let you guys see it. Can we try and get me to 65 likes? Well, I think I see something. I'll pump Master 880, then I'll shoot it. I'm not gonna dive in, but oh, I think that's a big muskrat. And also in a few days, this canal, on October 1st, it'll be drained. That means there'll be fish. Then I'll take my raft in. Oh, I think he's getting away. What the? Had the bolt open. Also, YouTube, this is not a real gun. It's a BB gun. Well, I think it's dead. If the other video gets a couple more, my next video gets 65, actually I think maybe 100 likes, I will do a bird catch, clean, and cook. Well, I'm just gonna be shooting. Well, let's go. So it looks like somebody's been on my property. And also, I'll do some airsoft games. Not with this. That's a BB gun. Well, I'm gonna end the video when I get to that hill. So, could you please like and subscribe? Tell your friends about the Fisher boy, and love y'all. Bye.